Good morning student, this is Shyam Sundar Sharma. Today I am going to explain about the second poem of the class 10. Name My Good Right Hand. Poet Charles Mackay. About the poem. The poem is related with the common theme of poverty and the way how it can be removed. When the poet fell in grief and some adversity, all his friends and relatives deserted him. No one came to help him. He found only lip sympathy from them. The poet thinks that the trusting other people is like building a castle on sand. Therefore he decided to believe in God and the hard work to be done by himself. With this realization, his courage returned in him. He overcame his sorrow and soon became prosperous. His hard work lifted him up from sorrow and pain. First stanza. I fell into grief and began to complain. I looked for a friend. Out I sought him in vain. Companions were shy and acquaintance were cold. They gave me good counsel but dreaded his gold. First, we should explain about its reference. These beautiful and motivational lines have been extracted from the inspiring poem My Good Right Hands, composed by Charles Mackay, who was a famous poet in English. Again, reference. These beautiful lines and these beautiful motivational lines have been extracted. Extracted means taken from the inspiring poem My Good Right Hand. Composed. Composed means written by Charles Mackay, who was a famous poet in English. Context. In these lines of the stanza of the poem, the poet describes about his poor condition and the behavior of his fair weather friends. He leaves them and decides to work hard and trust in God. Explanation. Through these given lines, the poet says that when he was in deep sorrow due to poverty, he tried to find out a true friend who could help him, but his search for a helpful friend proved fruitless. His friends were unwilling to help him, and his relatives were without emotions. In the name of help, they gave the poet only good advice. Thank you very much.